Hi, my friends. It's Ian here. It's a long time since I put a video together. Now I've got this move into this new apartment done. I can relax a bit and get on with teaching and helping you members. So, one of the things that I wanted to show you, because Martin has been working his magic again and upgrading a few tools, and just one of them I want to show you today. Now, our splash and capture page builder is becoming really popular. It's easy to use and it works well, loads well, and that's what you need when you're advertising. Okay, so if you want to make a capture page or if you want to make a splash page, then Buildabizonline has got the tool just for you. Now, this is just one that I've noticed about, and I really like this one. But what Martin's done now is the ability, as you know, you can add borders. I don't think there is a border on this. It doesn't need one because you've got a dark background and a light foreground. But the borders we can now do dashed and dot. So let me just show you what I mean by that. And you may think that's a big deal. So what? Doesn't matter. Well, some people love it, and it does help your splash page and your capture page to pop, as we call it, to stick out from the rest. So this is the tool that we're going to use. I just want to show you, I'm not going to show you a full demo on this. So what I want to do is close that down, right, and I want to go to the content area. And this is the thing, right? So we've got a drop down now. So look, bring that down. So you can see here, we've got a border. Okay, now I'm going to give it a border of 1. So you can see it's getting thicker. Let me just show you. So that's getting thicker and thicker. And that can be warranted on some of our splash pages. If that's the sort of effect that you want, then that's good. But what is also added now is the border style. And this is the solid that we've got there now. And then we've got dashed. So can you see that? And the bigger you make that, see that? It's a good effect. Okay, so let's tone that down a bit. And also we've got the dotted. Okay, so just to emphasize it a bit more, you can do what you want with it. Make those dots as big as you want. So that's just one of the things that he's done. And don't forget, you can also alter the radius on your corners. That's another good thing. So that's just a small update that people wanted, and we like to fulfill your requests whenever possible. Okay, so as you know, with this tool, you can alter the background, you can put a video in the background, you can alter the bar color up the top here. You can add all sorts of different things to it, and that's a great tool. So it's getting more and more popular, and we're seeing more pages like this about while we're advertising ourselves, and it's they really do pop. So you can add whatever background you want, whatever fore color you want. These are images that is added himself, and this is Martin's page. Okay, so there we have it. Small update, but it can really enhance your capture and splash pages. So this is Ian signing out, saying thanks for listening, and if you need any help with anything, please let us know. Don't quit. Don't be embarrassed, even if it's a small, simple things. people are at different levels when it comes to building pages that they want to advertise their affiliate marketing programs with. Everybody's at different stages. It's taken me years to learn how to do things like this, and we're here to pass on uh, that information and the things that we've learned onto you. So don't be embarrassed. Contact admin, and we'll be there as soon as possible, which is usually not very long. Okay, thanks for listening. Bye for now. See you in the next video.